Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and then scrolling down to access Sound section. Now tap on Vibrate Vocals and apply the best option for your incoming calls by clicking on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so when I click, I need to go back. Following that, scroll all the way down, click on Shortcut to prevent ringing, and if you want to, set up vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back again, choose advanced, scroll all the way down and click on those switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and start vibration to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!